In this tutorial, I'll show you how to access ESPN Plus in Canada, so you can enjoy live sports and exclusive content. Let's get started. ESPN Plus is only available in the US, but you can access it using a reliable VPN, like NordVPN or ExpressVPN. Download and install the VPN app on your device, smartphone, tablet, or computer, and connect to a US-based server to bypass geo-restrictions. Once connected, visit the ESPN Plus website or app and sign up for a subscription. You'll need a US payment method, which you can work around by using gift cards or prepaid options. After subscribing, download the ESPN app on your device or streaming platform, e.g. Roku, Amazon Fire Stick, and log in. Activate it via espn.com/activate if required. Now you can stream live sports, highlights, and exclusive ESPN Plus content. For offline viewing, download eligible content while connected to Wi-Fi and watch later in the Downloads section. Ensure your internet connection is stable and your VPN optimized for streaming. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy ESPN Plus in Canada.